Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we are back up and running. We need to talk about our toolbox of skills. So I've been seeing a lot of questions, one here on our comments and actually quite a few other places, on our Discord server and even on some other community chats and things like that, asking for examples of for loops, for an example. Like what would be a good use of a for loop? So all right, I need to give a different perspective on this. Don't go around looking for problems to solve with a specific tool. Fill up the toolbox and be looking for problems. So I'll say this a different way. So basically, and I understand the premise that you're wanting to become more experienced with solving a problem with for loops. But the problem with that is you're spending your time looking for the problem instead of preparing and learning new tools so that when a problem arises, you flip open your toolbox and you have all these tools. Because there's an old analogy: if you walk around with a hammer, everything starts to look like a nail. So, and I understand everybody wants to learn fast, everybody wants to learn everything, everybody wants to, they want to get told how to learn. It does not work like that. You cannot escape the work. You cannot escape the work. If you do not have a specific problem that you're working on, fill up your toolbox, because then what happens is then you start noticing more problems, and then you go, oh, I could solve that with this. And then typically, and especially what we'll see tomorrow on Free Code Camp, because I've done all these videos we're going to do tomorrow, but I'm going to show you the evolution of the problem solving. But fill up the tool. If you do not have a specific, because also the reason why, if you have a specific problem you're working on, you run into a problem that you don't have a tool, you then begin to look for new tools. That is the way you learn. If you're walking around trying to solve everything with one thing or have more examples of how to solve, in my experience, that you get stuck in a loop of how to solve that specific problem and you're not teaching yourself how to look out and about. I call it flipping over rocks. Flip over one big rock, you find two smaller rocks. You flip over one of those small rocks, you find 4 smaller rocks. And you go from there. So make sure that you are just not getting stuck in the premise of I'm walking around with a hammer and I'm looking for nails. Because what happens is everything starts to look like a nail. So there we go. A little lesson on Monday. And we will pick back up with Beautiful Soup tomorrow, and then maybe sprinkle in some more challenges. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Love the growth on Discord. Check down the invite in the description down below. Please leave any comments, any video requests. We even have an announcement page now. Cardinal's done an awesome job over there. Want to just say thank you. So there we go. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.